What's going on, it's Suk and I'm back with a brand new video on SuperDuprTech. Now in today's video, I am indeed going to be unboxing the brand new iPhone 16e. We are on the road to 10,000 subscribers, so if you are new around here, then be sure to hit that subscribe button, drop in a comment down below letting me know that you have, so that I can write your name on the subscriber wall of fame. But without any further ado, let's hit the titles. So first things first, I do want to quickly talk about the pricing structure for the iPhone 16e. So if you are based over here in the United Kingdom or over in the United States, then you will find that the iPhone 16e starts off at £599 or dollars and can set you back up to £899 or dollars if you need 512 gigabytes of storage. It's available in either white or black, and as you can see in this video, I have elected to go for the black coloured 16e. Now of course, over the coming weeks I will be showcasing what its performance is like along with how its cameras compare to other devices, so make sure you are subscribed for that. But enough talking about that, let's crack open the box and let's see what comes with this new iPhone 16e. So like we've seen with iPhones over the past few years, we do see two pull tabs on the rear. Now pulling away at these, we are able to lift away the box, revealing the 16e sat atop. Now taking this out the box and placing it to a side, we get our first look at what other items come included. And the first item that comes included with the 16e is our USB-C to USB-C cable, which has an approximate length of 1 meter, and as you can see it is braided. However, it's not color matched like we've seen with the cables that come with the iMac models. And below this we will find our documentation. Now the documentation is available in a range of different languages, which goes over the health and safety and regulatory information along with further details on our 1-year Apple limited warranty. And of course we've got the iPhone 16e. So what are your thoughts on the 16e? Of course leave them down below in the comment section, and if you are new around here then be sure to subscribe, smacking that bell icon to be notified when I upload any of my up and coming videos. Be sure to go and follow me over on my social media, as I'll leave them linked down below in this video's description. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care and have a good one.